Welcome to the Top Foreign channel. The landscape is constantly evolving, and strategies that worked in the past may not be effective anymore. That's why I'm here today to introduce you to the latest AI tools that can help you generate income online without personally investing your time. I've acquired this AI bot, and I'll show you precisely how to utilize it to promote various offers and earn money effortlessly. If this piques your interest, be sure to show your appreciation by dropping a like below. Now let's delve into the tutorial so you can stay updated on the newest tools and technologies for making money online and running a successful internet-based business. Now let's focus on the example we'll be using today. Brevo.com is a website that offers email marketing services. If you own a business, Brevo allows you to automate your email marketing campaigns. They claim to be at the forefront of digital marketing, providing a comprehensive email marketing software. With their platform, you can effectively spread the word about your business and reach a wider audience. Boost your sales with sleek and captivating email messages that can be customized over time. In addition, Brevo offers SMS marketing and a plethora of other exciting features. While they have various functionalities, their primary focus is on email marketing. However, you don't necessarily have to purchase Brevo or spend any money on it. Instead, you can join their affiliate program, conveniently located at the bottom of their website. By visiting the affiliates section, you can explore their referral program listed on PartnerStack. By promoting Brevo, you can earn $5 for every new account that signs up through your referral link, even if they don't make a purchase. Furthermore, if they become paying clients, you can earn $100 per new client. This makes it an ideal product to promote through PartnerStack's affiliate marketing platform. Personally, I have also applied for their affiliate program. However, if you prefer, you can explore other software options by browsing through partner products. There are numerous software solutions available, each catering to different needs. By utilizing the AI bot that I'm about to share with you, you can effortlessly promote these products and earn money through affiliate marketing. To get started, head over to ChatGPT. Once you log into your account, navigate to ChatGPT, which functions similarly to a chatbot but with enhanced features. Simply instruct it to write an article highlighting various tips and reasons why people should utilize software like Brevo or any other product you wish to promote. For instance, you can request an article titled 4 Tips to Start Email Marketing, and ChatGPT will generate a comprehensive blog post or article for you. ChatGPT generates a complete article that I can easily copy and paste onto a different website to drive traffic to my affiliate link, in this case, Brevo. With a single click, I can copy the entire article to my clipboard. Then I can head over to a platform called Medium. Medium.com attracts millions of visitors worldwide, and articles shared on this platform tend to rank high on Google. Next, I paste the entire article into Medium. Currently, it appears like this to me. Instead, I focus on inserting an affiliate link between the different reasons mentioned in the article. For instance, at each point, I can say, try the best email marketing software for free. It's important to remember that even if someone signs up for free on Brevo, you still earn $5 per sign-up. By highlighting the text, I can easily insert my affiliate link, allowing readers to visit the link, sign up, and earn me a commission. I can repeat this process and paste the affiliate link between multiple lines to ensure its visibility throughout the article. Additionally, I will include the affiliate link at the bottom so readers can still access it after finishing the article. Finally, with just one click, I can publish this article on Medium.com, reaching thousands of readers who can learn more about the subject matter. As they gain knowledge from the article, they also have the opportunity to sign up for the related software mentioned. Within PartnerStack, you have access to a variety of programs that you can promote. They offer a comprehensive marketplace with numerous software options for you to endorse. There are several reasons why promoting software is more advantageous than promoting physical products from platforms like Amazon, which typically provide a mere 5% commission. Firstly, software products often offer higher commissions. Secondly, digital products have no sales limits or inventory restrictions. If you were promoting physical products, there would likely be a cap on your earning potential, and the commissions would be lower. Moreover, you wouldn't have the opportunity to earn recurring commissions or passive income from physical products. In contrast, most software programs operate on a subscription-based model, allowing you to earn recurring monthly commissions. As long as the users continue to utilize the software, you will continue to generate passive income month after month, even year after year. This reliable income stream provides long-term stability. For instance, I have been promoting Vidic as an affiliate, and they pay me recurring monthly commissions. Vidic is a software that assists users in gaining views and subscribers on YouTube. To illustrate, I can obtain my affiliate link from the left side of the platform and request ChatGPT to write an article or blog post providing tips on how to increase views and subscribers on YouTube. Between the lines of the article, I can strategically insert my affiliate link for Vidic, accompanied by a call to action such as click here to try the best tool for getting views and subscribers. When readers come across the article, they can click on the link sign up, and I will earn recurring monthly, and with this method, you can actually generate passive income. So that was a brief tutorial on utilizing the new AI bot to earn money online from any location around the world. If you want to watch more videos like this, be sure to subscribe to this channel with notifications turned on. I regularly post similar tutorials every single day. If you found value in this tutorial and enjoyed the content, please show your support by giving it a like. Let's aim for 1,000 likes on this video as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in my upcoming videos.